Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. So in this video today we will learn how to play Gamak. So I'm trying to give my best a brief or very basic example of Gamak and how we can use it in our day-to-day playing that I will show you. Okay, it's a basic understanding. Now I'm using A scale flute. Now if you know all the notes of flute means pa dha ni sa, bass pa dha ni sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa and sa re ga ma. If you know these all notes, so how you will play it? You can play like this. Now it is a straight way practice. Now if I am playing instead of pa, if I am go dha pa means the adjacent note of pa. So pa, if I am not playing this, I am playing dha pa. Then what will be dha? Dha will be the adjacent note is ni dha. Same sa will be ni will be sa ni. Sa will be re sa. Ga will be re will be ga re. Ga will be ma ga. If we go like that way, how does it work? I hope you have observed how I am going da. It is like a mala. It is like a going, like round and round and round that way. So I am playing this. Now you observe my breathe, how I am giving the blow inside it. I am giving the blow when I am playing dha, then slowly decreasing my air blowing when I am playing pa. Then this wave is coming. Ah. So one note to another note, if we go smoothly, this is called meed. Now, if this meed or this way, if you are playing little bit faster, then it is called gamak. If you say little bit faster. Da. So if we play a little like this, if I am using this gamak and in playing a little, not in a big way, if I play a little, then the sound of this playing will be beautiful. Okay, so please follow my instruction. This is a very basic level of Gamak I have started. I will definitely come up with more videos on Gamak, but later on. I hope you are clear with this understanding. Okay, see you in another video. Bye bye.